Students, today in B.Ed fourth semester, we have community-based experience report is there in fourth semester. So each and every student has to write this regard. Telugu medium student has to write in Telugu medium, and English medium student has to write in English medium. So this is uh, community experience based report index. So what is there? Introduction. Second one, individual topic, means that as a student individually you are going to select one topic. For example, here this student is selected topic Telangana festival Bonalu. Next, third one, group topic, means that within your 3 or 4 students you are going to form one group. So within this group you are going to prepare one topic. For example, here what is the topic this girl has taken? Awareness program on health problems. And next, fourth one, introduction of the topic which is selected by you. So what is the introduction of the topic? Preparation of the tool, data collection, analysis, findings, and suggestions, conclusion, and last one, reference books. So this is about index. So here this is the actual record, community experience based report introduction. So what is community, and what are the what is the introduction of community, and what are the definitions of community, you are going to write here. And next one, scope of sociology, means that social science. And here, so these all are the all is about scope of sociology. దాన్ని మనం ఏమంటాం? సమాజ శాస్త్రం. నెక్స్ట్, నేచర్ ఆఫ్ సోషియాలజీ. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్, so this is about nature of sociology. Next, here, individual topic means the topic which is selected by you individually. About that topic you are going to write. For example, here, so this student has taken about Telangana festival Bonalu. So as a student you can take another topic also, Deepavali, Dasara, Sankranti. So like that, different festivals you can able to take. So here, when you select the topic as in an individual manner, so first, name of the topic, and next, introduction of the topic. You are going to write the introduction of the topic. If it is possible, images will be there, you are going to put images also. Next, information about the topic, means that if the topic which is selected by you, you are going to collect information, and you are going to write here history of the festival, and what is the complete history of the festival, and what are the images of the festival. Everything you are going to write in history. Next, here, importance of the topic, how this topic is playing an important role in Telangana people life. So for example, how people are going to enjoy this topic, what they are going to get by conducting this festival in their real life. Everything you are going to write, everything about the topic only. After completion of the individual topic, next you are going to take group topic. Group topic means, for example, 4 or 5 students are going to form into one group. So 4 or 5 students are going to prepare select one topic. So here, so this girl has selected one topic. What is that topic? Awareness program on health problems among people. So this is the topic. So here you are going to conduct awareness program in a particular area. So that image you are going to put here. For example, this girl has taken the colony of Rajampet in Asifabad. So here what you are going to write? Introduction of the topic, means that whatever group topic is selected by you, you are going to write introduction about the topic, means that what is meant by health problems, what are the definitions of the health problems, what health problems will come especially in a rainy season, not only in a rainy season, in all seasons. Everything you are going to write here. Next, for the purpose of collecting data about health and health problems, you are going to prepare the tool. For example, as a student, for example here, information is there. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B.Ed College, training students means that Ashwini, Sharanya have in the part and parcel of this record, we have selected the topic of providing awareness program on health problems. So for this purpose, we have prepared questionnaire to collect information about health problems in a Rajampet area. So after preparing the questionnaire, what you are going to do? You are going to collect the data. How you are going to collect data? First, you are going to collect a permission letter from the college. By using that letter, you will go to hospital, you will go to the area which is selected by you, so that area, and you are going to interact with them, you are going to ask questions, you are going to get answers. So in this manner you are going to collect data. So here, for the purpose of collection of the data, what is there? Questionnaire in the name of our college, by using community study project tool 2019 and 21, you are going to prepare a questionnaire in the form of yes or no. So this is the questionnaire. By using this questionnaire, you are going to collect data from number of people. For example, this student has taken 11 people to collect information. So for these 11 people to collect information, you are going to use 11 questionnaires, and you are going to put all these 11 questionnaires in record itself only. And what information you are going to collect? So here table is there. Name of the family, important person means that manager of the family. Next, what is the profession of that family, and members of that family, and family income per month or per year. If any health problems are there, you are going to collect information. At the same time, you are going to provide awareness. So like that, you are going to collect data from each and every individual of Rajampet area. If you are going to select another area, from that area you are going to collect data. After collecting data, what you are going to do? You are going to do the analysis of the data of each and every individual. So here, name of the data, you are going to collect data, for example, from 10 farmers of the Rajampet area. So here one person is Borkud Rajanna. You are going to write complete information of this person. How many members are there, where they are actually living, whether they are having any problem or not, any health problems are there not, and what is the income source of that family, and what problems they are facing, and how you have given awareness program to them everything you are going to write. You are going to do the analysis of the each and every individual, the information which is collected from the people in an individual manner. So that information you are going to do the analysis of the year. So here, how many students she has taken? Right, 11, 12, 13, more than 20 people, Rajampeta area people information was collected by this student. So like that, you are also going to collect information 10, 15 or 20, that is depending upon your interest. And there is no need to take same topic, you can able to take another group topic also. Okay, so here finding outs by using a questionnaire. When you collect data, after collecting data, you are going to do the data analysis. After doing a data analysis, what will come? Some findings will come. So what are the findings? What are the findings or outcomes have came by doing the survey of that particular area, by asking questions in the form of yes and no. So here you are going to write a findings. So how many people you are going to collect information? What are the problems of Rajampet area? What diseases people are there in that particular area? And how you have provided awareness program to them, whether any positive response from them or not. So whatever responses are going to come from that particular area, you are going to write in the form of findings. For example, in a Rajampet area, for in each and every family, what is there? Malaria is there. All people of the family are suffering from malaria, and they are not having financial problem, and they cannot able to afford expenditure in hospital. So like that, everything you are going to write in the form of findings. Next to, after findings, what you are going to do? For each and every family member, you are going to give some suggestions how people should be far away from the diseases, especially in a seasonal area. Whatever diseases will come, to how to get out of from that diseases, and how to improve the income sources, and how to take care of the family members. What are the precautions we should take to far away from the health problems? For each and every area, you are going to give suggestions. Next, conclusion. After writing this record from first to last, what experience you got, how you have completed this community based experience report, everything you are going to write under the heading of conclusion. And last one, reference books. Reference books means what? For the purpose of completing this record, from wherever you are going to collect information, actually from where you collected that information, you are going to write name of the book, publisher of the book, author of the book, everything you are going to write under the heading of reference books. So this is the end of the community based experience report. So here questionnaire will be there, group topic will be there, individual topic will be there. Individual topic means that all students are not going to take a same topic, try to take your own topic. Group topic means try to divide into five students into one group, so that you can able to select one group topic, and you are going to write about that group topic, and you can able to collect information by using questionnaire. So questionnaire is compulsory, otherwise you cannot able to collect data, because by using a questionnaire, when you collect data, after collection of the data only you can able to do the data analysis. After data analysis only, what will come? Findings will come. By using that findings only, you can able to give suggestions to that particular area people, depending upon the topic which is selected by you. So this is the end of the community based experience report. Thank you.